Namaste team, happy evening. Guruji this side from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to Research and Analysis. 17th January 2023. This is very clear information that market open at below one tick below previous day value area low, and the A period itself covered the entire value area. This is a bullish sign. This bullish sign, don't try to short. Whenever you are looking hereafter, if market opening above value area and the A period and B period covering entire value area, then don't go for a C. Now what happened? The market opened below one tick below value area low and went up to value area high. So here don't try to short the market, don't try to think about the PE. Why? Because see, this is IB failed auction. I agree that if you are a market profile provider, you know here there is a shorting opportunity. But the thing is, here the opening we have to consider. Whenever you are looking for a IB breakout failure, you have to think this type of activities also. And see, I will show you one more information here. I am just plotted a delta also. Okay, in this delta, see the A period itself, there is a huge delta was accumulation or huge delta built up was happened in the A period itself. So these people never ever they will not simply leave you to the downside. These people are strong and they are holder. Then because of the bank nifty market, nifty failed auction and came down. Okay, what is analysis? The analysis hereafter, whenever the market opening below value area or above value area, if market moving opposite direction. So opposite direction means if market opening above value area and doing test drive or open drive, that is the clear directional trade view setup. But here what happened? Market opened below value area, but the direction was changed in the morning. So once the value area opened, here the sellers are strong. As per market profile theory, whenever the market opening below value area or below previous day value area low and previous day range, their market profile theory says that the sellers are strong. But the thing is, market went the opposite direction and covered entire value area in a half an hour itself. And whenever you are this type of days, whenever you are seeing hereafter, you have to look only for C. Okay, this is the first analysis. This second analysis, see the I period took support at 17,970. I am not ready to discuss the morning video. You can go and cross check how our levels are working very perfectly in bank nifty and nifty also. We clearly told that 17,980 any acceptance, directly I will go for a 18,050 is my target. This target, everything we discussed in the morning video, you can go and cross check. And bank nifty also we discussed the level. So the levels are have a soul, their own soul. Okay, right. So what is this level? Why 17,970 market took support? See, these people, this morning early morning buyers, they are strong or not? Where we have to check? This is a final check we have to do. This is a half back of value area high and A period high and A period low. So you can calculate 17,910 plus 18,030 divided by 2. If you calculate, you will get 17,970, exactly half back of A period, entire A period, and they took support here. Then market went to new day high. Very simple. These are the third analysis in Nifty, and the entire day market trading nearby yesterday's open and taking breakout here, doing breakout and went up. And one more thing, market, even though if market not closed yesterday's high, even though yesterday's high was broken, but yesterday's high, above yesterday's high, close was not happened. So this is one more information, one more analysis. This is all about Nifty. So see, Bank Nifty also, what happened is, Bank Nifty also is very interesting thing is, the Bank Nifty also opened below value area low, yesterday's value area low, and went up, but unable to cover previous day value area. This is one more analysis and research we are doing. Nifty, what Nifty done? Nifty covered yesterday's value area A period itself, but Bank Nifty unable to cover the entire value area, at least in B period. So Bank Nifty was struggled to move up in this particular territory. What is this territory? This territory we discussed in the morning. Go and cross check what is the territory we discussed in the morning. Okay, go and check that video. Okay, then market take reversal from here, exactly from this particular zone, and market came down. Why market came this much of downside? Why? Because yesterday itself we are discussing about there is a non-migration POC. This POC market how to clear. But in the morning itself I thought that morning itself Bank Nifty will clear this and market will come here. But that it didn't happen in the morning. But in the afternoon Bank Nifty went up and came back to the reversal. So see, what is the half back of A period? We will just check what is the half back of A period in Bank Nifty. Let's calculate if it is working correctly or not. But Nifty, that calculation is going well. So what is the level? 42,140, 42,140. Okay, 42,140 plus. Then what is the A period high? That is 42. Okay, 42,420. 42,420. Okay, we'll just have a view divided by 2. Okay, then 42,280. See, 42,280 was a half back of A period. Market start taking support B period, E period, F period. But when the 42,280 was broken, then the entire game was changed in Bank Nifty. Please note it down, this type of analysis. It will help you on upcoming days. So we'll do one thing. We'll just in trading you we'll just have a look how the 42,280 was responded there. So any information we'll just check. Okay, so I will do one thing. The rejection, everything what we discussed in the morning, the same level. Okay, so 1 second. 42,280. Okay, 42,280. Okay, right. See, this candle got acceptance here. That means, see, this candle. That means. See, this candle got accepted at 42,280. Then the game was changed. Till now, market was just roaming in and around. Here, that morning bias was exhausted. Then there is a shorting opportunity from here towards 42,000. So these are the analysis. Keep it in your mind. This will help you for upcoming days trading setup. So if you one more observation is, if you are missing this A period right above, then just calculate A period high and A period low. Calculate there is a halfback is available in the Go charting itself, halfback, all those stuff available in the Go charting itself, but you sit and calculate, then only you will get a confident. Calculate and draw a line in here, where you have to just draw a line in the trading view. Then any rejection was happening in the trading view, Go charting, go for a C here for another up move. Then you can easily ride this much of point. How much? Almost more than 200 points. 475. Okay. 280 to 475 is a 200 points. Almost 200 points you can ride in the bank nifty. And you can keep yourself below that also. So this is how you have to work in the market. See, then what happened? The market reversal was happened, and bank nifty, why this volatility is fin nifty today is a expiry day for them, so that this volatility was happened. So people are shorting there, so all the square of all the round of everything was happening in the fin nifty. That's why this volatility was happened in the bank nifty, but there was a very clear information. Then market came above 280, then 280, this was a up move. So this is how you have to work and calculate in the market. This is our analysis on bank nifty and nifty. It will help you on upcoming days. Okay. And the thing is, one more information. We'll go for a nifty's this chart. Okay. The very simple one more observation. I will give you one more observation in nifty. So market got accepted previous day value area, inside value area, and previous day close. Okay, 17,950. And if is market doing like this, the next target could be directly that day open. That day open is our target, or that day high, previous day high. This is how you have to work in the market. Very simplified manner we are doing analysis, research in the evening after every day, every market hours. This is the information I am sharing in the live market also. So hats off to George sir. Our George sir is our mentor. In our students group Telegram, he is doing a wonderful job. All the information, all the nuances, he is doing a live commentary. So George sir, hats off to you. Keep doing, keep encourage us. Thank you very much.